Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas, quick trading ideas and setups for November 18. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading and CFD leverage products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. These are trading rules, always the same. You can check it on YouTube. And again, guys, these are free trading ideas that I always do freely each Monday. I also run and Elliott CurrenSea this my FX book. It has been almost a year. The current gain is 362%, and I think I might make a record high maybe this week or next above 51,818K. So the account has been growing from 10,000. It's going up based on my Camarilla MACD method. That is, of course, not free. And if you decide to join ECS live service here on our website, we are currently doing a complete overhaul. There will be a new website soon, much better, much bigger. One of the best in Forex world. You will definitely see it. And here you can also sign up for Telegram channel where I provide signals with real management and, of course, full trade management based on my Camarilla MACD method. So sign up for more signals and ideas. So quick trading ideas. I will go quickly with this. Euro dollar potential buy 1040 to 1050, stop loss 1020, TP 1.1120. GBP dollar 1.2900, stop loss 2850, target 3030. The Australian dollar positional buy 0.6760 to 80, 0.6720, stop loss TP is 0.6840. Alternative sell 0.6840 to 50, stop loss 0.6880, TP 0.6790. Dollar yen 107.70 to 80 is sell, 109.65 stop, TP 108.20, TP 206.70. Gold positional buy 14.60, 14.20 stop, TP 15.00, sell 15.00, stop loss 15.15, target 14.60. And the Bitcoin 82.20 is a buy, stop loss 81.20, TP 86.25. Yes, Ali is saying, hi, Nenad, Camarilla MACD core and the scalp trades are excellent recently. I recommend everyone joining ECS live service. You will be very pleased, I think. Yes, thank you, Ali, of course. Definitely, this is the message from our trader, guys. He is the member of ECS Live. And here you can see, I guess that results speaks also for us. And definitely, I've been investing a lot of time and everything in my trading methods here, guys. And this is the account that I trade, of course, real account. And you can see it's going fine, of course. And this is Camarilla MACD core for our trading. I recently added this scalping template that will be released very, very soon. And today, for example, I traded Euro New Zealand. I made 28 pips. The price still going up, but here 28 pips with customized indicators. This is also the part of full course for our members who actually paid for a full course. It's free. For those who want to go separately for this, I recommend this. Really, the price is very low now. It's approximately 500 euros, and it should go up. The core method also on 4-hour time frame includes a lot of customized indicators, and all these setups, guys, that you're seeing now are actually Camarilla MACD core. For example, this beautiful dollar yen trade that is in profit is made also by Camarilla. So definitely very, very nice, and I hope that you will enjoy it. So guys, don't regret spending your money on something that is so good. Ali saying I took gold 60 pips from 14.59. Oh, nice, and took profit 14.65. Excellent, well done. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. Just to show you guys, this is the comment. I don't make up. Everything is clear. Everything is here. So quickly regarding GBP Australian dollar, and I will take a look at the GBP dollar. I would go long, of course, on GBP dollar because the price is supported. I always go with the trend. So if the price drops towards 89.10, that's a buy. Eventually 90.00, and here 89.95. This is also where the price could reject. I would say even 89.70. So these three levels, I think the price can reject, easily go up. Also on 15-minute time frame, I guess you see, of course, this is when swing comes in place, the price needs to hit, and the first three waves are the best. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So I would say if the price drops to 89.60, watch for 1, 2, 3 pattern. That can also give you additional entry. As you can see my scalping template, we still didn't have any single loss on this template, and I hope that it will also provide additional income in accordance to 4-hour trades that you need to wait for longer. But last week we also had like 80% successful trades. Very, very good risk to reward. And actually for gold, I would go long, and I would definitely pay attention to smaller time frames. Actually, I would be honest, I tested how my new template works with gold, and I took the trade today on gold. It was great. So I would wait for a pullback, and of course I would go long. A direction on gold is bullish, and I think the dollar yen goes down, gold will go up. That is how it goes. So bullish on gold too. I'm buying the gold actually, and I will send a signal to my Telegram group if the price makes a pullback and makes a long entry. I will send it to my Telegram group. So guys, this would be all. Quick trading ideas. I will quickly roll the slides. For more trading ideas, of course, join ECS Live, where I provide full trade management, clear entry, risk, and of course I'm also providing webinars along with Chris, who is doing his webinars and updates on his SWOT system. Thank you for listening. Quick trading ideas, more to come in ECS Live room. This is free for all. Join, guys. See you soon. Cheers.